Hey everybody, Hardscape Nate here with my buddy
D. Harris.
He's with Peerless Brick Block, and we are in Mooresville, North Carolina, right on the shores of Lake Norman, on this gorgeous project that you can see behind me that's got outcropping wall on it, and it's got dimensional step, I believe, from Rosetta, as well as a ton of other beautiful work, some gorgeous masonry stonework up there, beautiful pool deck that was all done by Maxwell Landscaping, right?
Correct.
You worked with them a little bit on the start of this, or the front end of this, so give us a little rundown on this project with him.
For one thing, I want to thank Scott and Troy from Maxwell Landscaping. They did a wonderful job. I mean, just a gorgeous wall, gorgeous house. I'm sure this summer with all the boats coming in the water, they're going to see this and say, wow, I want that. Just a gorgeous job, the way he did everything. And he figured it out and he told me it's one of the really easy product to work with once you figure it out.
What I really thought was awesome is that he was on the website going through the resources and found the schematic for the size wall, the height that he needed, and was able to work it right from there. So I mean, which is awesome for contractors to actually find that information, do it, and be self-sufficient in it.
Right.
Is a pretty awesome thing from hearing it, that there's still contractors out there doing that.
My name's Scott. I work for Maxwell Landscaping. We primarily work the Lake Norman area, anywhere from Troutman to Huntersville over to Denver. To be honest, this was the second Rosetta project I've ever done. So this, to me, was an amazing experience working with this. I found this to be very user-friendly for just two guys. As soon as we had the diagram that was nicely already put together for us on how to build the product, you just follow along, one guy on the ground, one guy in the machine, and it just slaps together with ease. Yeah, the easiness with the product is it's already pre-labeled for you on the back. So as long as your diagram, you just go to pallet A, you pick up block A6, and you know exactly where you're gonna set that. One ground hand, one guy in a machine, he hooks the clamp on. It's easy breezy just to put it back on the wall. As long as you follow the pre-worked diagram, it just goes together and you don't have any problems. This project just required so much height to be built up to retain in order for a pool to be put in on top. So without being an engineered wall, we chose the Rosetta product to give us lift, but a different look than just a standard retaining wall block. Yeah, me personally, I feel the Rosetta is the wow factor a large project would need. It's gonna fit a home of this size and this standard. I did meet with D. D came out, looked at the project, had any answers that I needed answered at that point. But other than that, I mean, as long as you follow along, it is very simple. And it's really hard to just mess up. Yeah, the website was super easy to navigate just based off of which wall, because they have different diagrams for 4-foot wall, 3-foot wall, 5-foot wall. So based off of what we were using on this project, I just selected that one, printed off the paper, and easy to use. It's color coded, so you know what's on what pallet. So in terms of ordering, you know exactly what to order for your job, and there's no guessing. I mean, it was super simple. I think the Rosetta product allows you to bring a wow factor into a project that isn't just out there in standard blocks. So to me, it is going to be a high upsell for a customer who wants a high-end look. I would highly recommend Rosetta for two reasons. A, the ease of the use, and B would be for the amount of manpower you need to actually build the wall. A normal retaining wall, you probably got a crew of 4 or 5 guys. On the Rosetta, I did it with 2. So it saved me man hours. When you actually see the product up, it is amazing. It's something that you don't just regularly see on any other home or any other standard project. It's a high-end look for a high-end customer. It comes out to be amazing. It's just that simple.
Stunning, stunning, stunning. You can't ask for a better project.
It's been absolute pleasure to check this out and see what Maxwell Landscaping has done, what Scott has done with this cruise, and beautiful product from Peerless. So
well, I look forward to them doing more projects.
Yeah, absolutely.
And hopefully we can film more projects that they do in the near future. So very excited about that.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for joining D and I out here on the job site, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Take care.